if a client wants to see 100 wallpaper samples if you've charged a flat fee, but way more hours are then needed? This is a question that I recently had on a workshop that I did, and it's a great question. First of all, one of the things that I would recommend that you need to do and be very clear on is when you're on the discovery call, you need to be asking the client this question that a lot of people miss out, and it's how much involvement do you want to have on the project? How quick are you at making decisions? And if they're upfront with you and they're able to say, hey, I actually am not very good at making decisions. I like to see 20 different samples of something before I can decide on what I think is going to be the best. That is when I would suggest that you have those clients, first of all, have a conversation with them about how that is not the most efficient use of your time in hiring you as a professional. But if they are insistent and they still want your help, then instead of putting them to a full service project, I would have that be a designer by your side. So then you're hourly, and that way, if they want to see 100 wallpaper samples, even though you've shown them the best 3 options for their space, well, then you just remind them and say, okay, no worries, we can go and look at more, but just so you know, we are on the clock sort of thing, right? And then they can make that decision. And sometimes I get it. The clients might not appear to be this way initially when you meet them for the initial consultation or on the discovery call, and then it sort of becomes that way. What I think is the best policy is always just sort of reining it in, having a conversation, picking up the phone. A lot of times we're too quick to email back and forth. It's just not the best way. You don't know what the tone is. You don't know if they've received the email, or they don't know if you've received the email. People can be waiting days. I say, you know what, just pick up the phone. If there's a problem, if you're unsure, just try to get the project back on track, try to get the client back on track, and have an open conversation. And just a nice, gentle reminder about the reason why they hired you as the professional, so they don't have to look at all of these different options, right? Another question that someone asked me on the same workshop was, what if a client asks how I use the hours and how long something took? This happened to me recently and it really turned me off. I think it's a fair question. You're billing clients hourly, and it's nice for them to have an understanding of, where those hours are going and how your time is being spent. Again, it all goes back to managing their expectations on the initial consultation, having those conversations up front. If you feel like it might be necessary, I don't think we've ever done this, but show them an example invoice. Here's how I invoice for my time. And don't get overly detailed with the invoicing, just a couple of lines. It doesn't have to be a whole paragraph, just so you know what it was, and then the client can be aware of what it was that you're billing them for. And if you are working with them in a designer by your side capacity where you've done like 20 hours for billing upfront, then let them know when you're sort of like 5 hours towards the end. Say, hey, we have about 5 hours left. Here's a few things that we still have to get done, just so it's not a shock to them when you're like, time's up, right? And they're like, what the heck, and they didn't realize it. So all comes back to managing clients' expectations. If you want more guidance on how to invoice your clients, when to invoice them, and 9 different billable hours that you may not be charging for, make sure you get my simple business boosting invoice system. It includes all of this and more. I'm Claire Jefford, award-winning interior design professional and your business coach. Join me every other week where I'm here to give you more clarity in your interior design business. I'll see you soon. Cheers.